Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Hello, good morning. Our names are Edward, Sanvi, and Brandon, and today we are filling in on Channel 3 News. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's current conditions, followed by the forecast of the rest of your week. To you, Sanvi.
Hello. Today's temperature is negative 30 to 0 degrees. What you should look for is hail, wind, rain, or snow. Also look for storm clouds in the sky. To you, Brandon.
Hello. To prepare for these weather patterns, you should put on thermals or an undershirt, a long sleeve shirt, long pants, boots, and a heavy jacket. You should put this clothing on because if you don't, then you could get frostbite and you would have to live with that for the rest of your life. So it looks like this is the type of weather we are in here in the seaboard of the eastern seaboard of the United States. If you follow these tips, hopefully you'll be A-okay. Thank you for letting us be a part of your morning. Blizzard Wizards, out.